Was good. So here's like the recap of the trade I took on week 11 um on the 100 trade challenge. So first trade I took was NZD CHF. I was looking to sell around this area. I did sell after this um evening star or morning star, I don't know, evening star formation on the 30 minutes time frame. But it went against us, then now it's going away. I expected it to go away regardless, but I didn't know when to enter again. Because this is Friday, if everything is ready, you can see how choppy everything is. So I'll say maybe next time, ideally, um, to be honest, this is not a bad trade in my opinion, but probably maybe I should have waited for a bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame or on the 4 hour time frame for me to enter. I didn't get a bearish engulfing candle, and I entered immediately. So, but on the 30 minutes, I saw a reversal pattern. So that's lesson learned. And also on the 4 hour time, it was a bullish engulfing candle. Though probably I entered after this rejection. I probably entered after this rejection. Or I don't even know. I don't know. I should have waited for the 4 hour candle to close probably before entering this trade. Well, yeah, the trade still went our way clean and smoothly. Ideally, what I should have been entering around here. So probably next week you might be entering on the pullback. The price might have around here for it to go down. So we'll wait for that next week. The trade I had was on Euro NZD. Euro NZD price did exactly how I wanted it to do. I wanted a break out of this trend line. Ideally, this should have been my entry, but it's still a clean one. But I wanted a break above this for us to get an entry. I entered around here, still of the break above. Probably this should be my entry, then my stop loss here, clean or below here. But yeah. But this is it's a clean setup. But ideally, I wanted price to close and retest like this for the push up for it to just finish the trade, but we didn't get that. It closed below, and once we closed below, we end up pushing down. So battery might still get the push up next week, push retest, continuation. The next trade I had was on Eurocard. So this trade I rated it a 6.5, but maybe ideally I should have rated it like a 5.5 instead. So it's 6.5 because of we're going against the trend, and yeah, when moving on an uptrend, I was trying to sell on an uptrend, which I shouldn't be doing. But ideally on the daily time frame, we're below this area of support of resistance, to be honest. And when we're below this, we go down. When we're below this, we go down. When we're below this, we go down. Which we did. We went down, but we even had the bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, which gave us extra confirmation that okay, this was going to go down. But it's on an uptrend, so I can't just be saying because so it's not bad, not a bad trade. Ideally, my entry too was very very clean to me. So I entered off this after this bullish engulfing candle. I waited for a retest. After the retest, I still waited for like I waited for like a change of structure, like a bearish engulfing or something. Something just give me like analysis that's going down, and it did. He did that. It went down, but maybe did that. It went back up. So not a bad trade, to be honest. Not a bad trade to me. I'll take this trade anytime. No, I won't probably. This reason why I rated it 6.5. Probably should have been a 5.5. Then the next trade I have was on USD card. Predicted this to a T. Very, very clean trade, to be honest. I was waiting for a break out of this, something to give us like I wanted it to break out of this this support, which it did. If I had the break below, I've been thinking for selling, but we didn't have. So the beginning of the week, I had this bearish engulfing candle, but I was like, nah, man. If it's still around this area, so the price can still go up. So I waited for it to break out of this trend line. Had a very clean bearish bullish engulfing candle. You can see the very clean bullish engulfing candle. Boom, went to our area of interest. Boom, very very clean trade. Then the last trade we had was on GBP AUD. So this is very clean trade still, very very clean. Stop loss maybe should have been wider. Stop loss was here before. Was it around? No, was around here. Hit it by like 0.0. So probably I'll be giving my stop loss enough P because it's still a very very good risk reward ratio for this trade. This trade got to a 1.4, so very clean trade. So I rated this trade a 5.5 due to that the overall structure from like the monthly and weekly time frame was bullish, but from like the daily and from the daily time frame was ranging. So it was ranging from year to year. So anytime it's here, it goes down. Anytime it's here, it kind of goes up. Basically, as you see, it went up. Now, as you see, yeah, it went down. So my entry was after this week we have here. We have this 4-hour week. I wanted price to close below it, which it did. Very beautiful. It closed below it. So then on the 1-hour time frame, I was waiting for a bullish engulfing candle. This was a clean bullish engulfing candle and a change of structure as needed. And the change of structure, this is a very good bullish engulfing. When I got this bullish engulfing, immediately entered the buys, entered the sell. But ideally, no, actually a good trade because if I don't enter here price, yeah, you got the break retest, bullish engulfing below this, an entry. So it's not a bad one, not a bad one at all. So that's that for this. That's that for this week. We're like out of the 5 trade idea I had, 4 went in our direction. As you can see, 2 stop loss, but that one still went in that direction. So we're getting there. We're already there. To be honest, that's that for that. Adios.